Welcome home. This lovely home is move-in ready and features dining room, large family room, eat-in kitchen with sitting room, 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The 4th bedroom is also accessible by a separate stairway. The floor plan is spacious with large rooms. Situated on a large lot with fenced-in backyard. Extended driveway for extra storage of a boat, RV, etc. Side-loading oversized 2-car garage. Enjoy mornings and evenings sitting on the charming front porch. Conveniently located near hospital, shopping, and restaurants. New arch. Shingle roof, freshly painted, new carpet and new HVAC.